Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Halloween Smooshy marble. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my Smooshy today, I'm going to be using a variety of kind of Halloween and fall colors. The black is Zoya Willa, which is just a black cream. This bronze is China Glaze Harvest Moon, which is more of a metallic. And the orange is Prince and Princess, which is from Finger Paints, and I'm also going to be using this as the base color. Once that's applied, I'm going to be protecting around my nails using liquid latex. Now that my latex is dry, I'm going to start building my Smooshy. I'm going to be adding 3 drops of each color, but just like a fairly moderately sized drop, like small to medium, not large, because I'm going to be doing just one finger at a time to try and control the amount of bleeding. So, whoa, that's a lot of black. Go ahead and add the black. And then finally, I'm going to go ahead and add in the bronze. Once I have that dabbed on there, I'm going to go ahead and smoosh onto my nail. Have a little bit of wiggle room. Can re-smoosh a couple times if you don't like what you're seeing. And I've got kind of a heavy swirl at the bottom there. If you're really picky, like me, you can also even take like an orange stick and drag some of the polish around. I don't want to do too much of that because it doesn't look organic. But you can make small adjustments. Then I'm going to clean up some of the excess around the edges with the flatter end of the orange stick before I remove the liquid latex. And I'm going to go ahead and repeat that on all my nails. Once I've finished all my nails, I'm going to go ahead and do cleanup using a Q-tip for any larger spots where I may have gone over the latex, and then going in closely around my nails with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once you're done with cleanup, you can finish up with the top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out. The left index nail is my favorite over here, but I'm trying not to nitpick the others too much. If you'd like to check out the extended tutorial, the archive of that will be up on YouTube in the next couple days. And if you'd like to join me live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. If you enjoyed, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.